Alright, hey guys, welcome back. In today's video we're going to be doing a bit of wiring, a bit of lighting upgrade to the garage. As you can see, this is kind of what we had, minus that 8-foot light right there that's hanging there. I took this picture after I'd kind of just propped one up to see what it looked like. So we just had those two pot lights and the little one over the bench. You can kind of see how little light there is. So we're going to go ahead with this install and start wiring up. I'm going to do a bit of a voiceover over it. Now, I'm going to be honest with you, I took a ton of footage during this, trying to explain how I was wiring it and all that. I mean, I was just embarrassed to show the shop, the shop was just an absolute mess over Christmas time. Now it is, like, really clean, but I had all this footage, I was like, oh, might as well not let it go to waste. I mean, this was done back when the last time change was to winter time. So, anyway, we're just putting the blocks in here, and, screwing them in. We got these two 8-foot LED lights, and we're just going to install them. I picked them up from my uncle who's an electrician. So we go ahead throwing the brackets up there. They're kind of bad shot. Obviously there's poor light in there though, so filming it, while we were installing lights was a bit of a challenge, but managed to get it done. And I mean, I did take a ton of footage, but it was just really bad. You guys can't sit there and watch through that all. So here we are. We were wiring up the first box. This was the box where the original light was over the workbench. We're going to wire this circuit, including that light, and we're going to bring it right out to add two more of those 8-foot fixtures to this circuit. As you can see here, we're wiring in that switch. Basically, we had to do a 3-wire in between the 3 fixtures there, and then just a 2-wire down to the switch using a neutral as a power wire. So that's what we were doing. We had we basically kept the black coming with power all the way through the switch, and then went back through the lights on the red. So that's how that worked out. I would explain it all. It was so much footage, and I was quite scrambled, so just thought I'd throw it into a few-minute video here. And here's the comparison between the old and the new lights. And obviously now the shop's a lot cleaner than it is now. I might be able to grab some pictures for you guys yet. And in addition, what we're going to do is take those two pot lights and throw them out in the soffit. So we have some light in addition to that one. But as you can see, it's just like night and day in here, just lighting up the mess. So I'm happy. Let's get on to the next stage of this project. Okay, here we are on the outside now. I already had put boxes in whenever we did the garage, with this in mind, throwing some pot lights in. So I quickly wired this in, threw some 14-2 over to that one, and just quickly, this one's a simple one, just quickly wiring in the pot light there. No problems, black to black, ground to ground, and white to white. Okay, now coming to the second pot light here, we have a few more things to add. We have the light coming from up top. You can see it in the top right corner of your screen there. That light's in this circuit as well. So we had to add it in. So that's why there's one extra wire, and then the one going to the switch. So there's 3 sets all together, plus whatever's coming up, plus the light that we have to wire together there. This one, obviously, power is coming from a timer. This is actually a separate switch, or a separate circuit, I should say, that's coming from the house. It's on a timer with the pot lights on the house. So I wanted that all to come on the same time, and we'll see here in the final shots of it how it all worked out pretty well.